Welcome to today's video, where we'll dive into a fascinating topic that many of you have been wondering about: optimizing queries with chained filters. Have you ever found yourself writing complex queries with multiple conditions, only to wonder if there's a more efficient way to do it well? You're not alone. In this video, we'll explore the concept of chained filters and discuss whether there's a more optimized approach to querying with conditions like A, B, or E and F. By the end of this video, you'll have a deeper understanding of how to tackle these types of queries and make your database interactions more efficient. Let's break down the concept of chained filters. When we're dealing with multiple conditions in a query, it's common to use the AND operator to chain them together. However, as the number of conditions grows, so does the complexity of our query. This can lead to slower performance and even errors. So, what's the problem with using chained filters? The issue lies in how databases process these queries. When a database encounters a query with multiple AND operators, it needs to evaluate each condition separately, which can result in a significant amount of overhead. Now, let's consider an example to illustrate this point. Suppose we have a table called orders with columns for customer did, order date, and total. We want to retrieve all orders where the customer ID is either 1 or 2. The order date is within the last year, and the total is greater than $100. Using chained filters, our query might look like this: customer ID K1 and order date now, interval 1 year and total 100. Or customer DJG2 and order date now, interval 100, total 100. As you can see, this query is already quite complex and might be difficult to read. But what if we could simplify this query? What if we could use a more optimized approach that reduces the number of conditions and improves performance? Answer: one way to optimize queries with chained filters is to use the union operator instead of OR. By using union, we can break down our query into separate, simpler queries that are easier for the database to process. Let's go back to our previous example. Using union, we could rewrite our query like this: select from orders where customer EJ1 and order date now, interval 1 year, and total 100. Union, select from orders where customer DJ'd, to an order date now, interval year end, interval. By using union, we've reduced the number of conditions in our query and made it easier for the database to process. This approach can significantly improve performance, especially when dealing with large data sets. Another way to optimize queries with chained filters is to use indexes. By indexing the columns used in our query, we can speed up the evaluation process and reduce the overhead associated with chained filters. To summarize, optimizing queries with chained filters involve breaking down complex queries into simpler ones using union, using indexes on columns used in the query, reducing the number of conditions in the query. By following these tips, you can improve the performance of your database interactions and make your queries more efficient. And that's it for today's video. I hope this explanation has helped you understand how to optimize queries with chained filters. Remember to use union instead of OR, index columns used in the query, and reduce the number of conditions in your query. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more database-related content. Thanks for watching.